Now I want to do sum number 10. A company produces two types of presentations, goods A and B. See, goods A and B I have written. After reading, you have to make a table. B that required gold and silver. So gold I have written here, silver I have written here. Each unit type A requires 3 grams of silver, 1 gram of gold. See, 3 gram of silver, 1 gram of gold, A required. Each unit, so number of unit I have considered X and Y. So each unit required 1 unit of gold, 3 unit of silver. B requires 1 gram of silver, 2 grams of gold. See, 1 gram, here it is 1 gram of silver, 2 gram of gold. Then the company can procure 9 grams of silver and 8 grams of gold. Maximum they are having 9 gram of silver and 8 gram of gold. Now, if each unit of type A brings a profit rupees 40 rupees and type B brings a rupees 50 rupees. So profit I am writing 40 here. A bring 40 and B bring 50 rupees. Determine the number of units of each type that should be produced to maximize the profit. Indicate the feasible reason also. So here when I write the sum in a table form, see the tabular form I have placed everything so that at a glance you can see what is the picture. So I have considered number of golds, that is X unit, and number of B types is Y unit. Now see here, maximum Z will come from here. Max Z equal to, I am considering max Z is equal to 40 into X plus 50 into Y, that I have written here. Then you see 1 into X plus 2 into Y less equal to 8. Why? Because company cannot give more than 8 unit. That is why it is written less equal to. Silver, see 3x plus 1y less equal to 9 because maximum 9 gram silvers are available. Now in every question you have to write x greater equal to 0, y equal to 0 because x and y are the number of units and cannot be negative. Company cannot produce negative number. That is why this must be plus and the solution will be in the first quadrant. Now solving part. Here similar equation, these two we have to write similar equations. So in place of inequation sign, give equal to sign. Then divide by 8 both side, divide by 9 both side. Then you are getting the point, see 8 comma 0 and 0 comma 4. Here 3 comma 0 and 0 comma 4. After this step you come back in the graph. Graph you can do in the graph sheet or in a normal paper, white paper or your paper, whatever you have. Put the value, see 80 and 04. 0, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These 2 points you join, you are getting this line. Next is 30 and 09. See 1, 2, 30 and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is another line you are drawing. Now testing part here. Next after drawing this, come back to this testing part. Test by 0, 0. See the point which is not on the line you have to take as a point. So test by this point is 0, 0. So put it there x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. Where? This testing part lies here in equation. So 0 plus 0 less equal to 8. That is true. 0 plus 0 less equal to 9. That is also true. So both are true. True means line will be in the 0, 0 direction. That is this direction, this direction, this direction, this direction. But solution cannot come out from the first quadrant. So this is the shaded portion. And this is the feasible region. O, A, B, C, O is the feasible region. Now to solve this question, we have to find all the corners coordinate. So this corner's coordinate is 0, 0. This is 3, 0. This is 0, 4. But B we do not know. Now to get B, we have to solve these two equations simultaneously. These two equation means here give equal to sign x plus 2y is equal to 8 and 3x plus y is equal to 9. That is done here. So solution also done here. Method of elimination apply, x equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. So this point will be 2 comma 3. In the graph also you write, here it is not written but you write. Then you have to make one table. What is table here? Table is not done. Direct max z at 0 0 minus x equal to 0, y equal to 0. Here it is put x equal to 0, y equal to 0. So 40 into 0 plus 50 into 0. It is 0. Similarly, next at 3 comma 0 means x equal to 3, y equal to 0. So here 40 into 3, 50 into 0. So 120. Again come here, uh, x equal to 2, y equal to 3. Put in the maximum z. So 40 into 2, 50 into 3, it is coming to 30. Then again come maximum z, it is point is, what is the point? 5, 0 comma 4. So 40 into 0, 50 into 4, that is equal to 200. Now we have to see here which value is maximum. See, 230 is the maximum value. So you have to make a circle so that we can understand properly that this is the maximum value. At what point? X equal to 2, y equal to 3. See, here it is written at 2 comma 3 the maximum value we are getting, and this is the answer. That's all.